Black History Month meaning in the United States. Black History Month is observed for 1 month each year and is dedicated to educating people about the history of Black people and celebrating their contributions to history. Black History Month was instituted on the basis of the belief that it is critical to pay particular attention to such stories, because they are frequently erased, excluded, or ignored as a result of racism and the teaching and learning of history, in a way that has historically been dominated by an emphasis on white culture. Black History Month originated in the United States, where it celebrates the contributions of African Americans to the nation's history. It is also observed in other nations, such as Canada and the United Kingdom, with a particular emphasis on the contributions of African Americans to the history of the respective country. When does Black History Month take place? Black History Month is observed in February in the United States and Canada. It takes place in October in the United Kingdom and Ireland.